In this video, we are going to make kids learn about coding and decoding. Here are some numbers written, and with this coding, we have to make the word from it. So, for example, like to do, she has to make the word with this number, and in the same way here letters are there. With the help of these letters and these symbols, she has to make the addition and subtraction series here. She can do addition or subtractions of three different numbers using three numbers. So I chose this activity. Otherwise you can just do with this two letters and one symbol. Okay, so that will be, suppose n, s is equal to, s is 9, the value of s here is 9, upside arrow means plus, and value of n is 7, so it will be 9 plus 7. So let's do. Okay,
Mosha, let's start. Okay, mommy. Yeah. 9 is S. Very good. Yes. 8 is I. Very good. And the last is T. Yeah, T stands for? 3. T. Yes. Yeah. Very good. Next. Keep doing faster. Yeah, fast. 2. Now I understand this word. Yes. 6 is for S, 1 is for A, and 3 is for T. It's fat. 7 is N, 2 is E, 3 is T. Is this neat? Not. And 4 is P. Dip. 4 is for P. And 8 is for I. 7 is for N. It's pen. Very good. 7 is N. 1 is A. And 4 is P. Now. Very good. Now these are the two last ones. Yeah. 6 is 4. No, 6 is not 4. The letter is A. And 8 is for I. Oh, I think I know what the letter is going to be. Oh, this. What you thought? Fin. Fin. You thought of fin? Yeah, fin can also be a word, but here they cannot come now, so I stopped making all the words, other words. Otherwise, we can write. Okay? Yeah. The last one. It is S, I, P, sip. Very good. All are correct. So I should do plus over here? Yes, all are upside arrow, so whatever is their value, you have to do it. First write what is that code. Okay. Right, yeah, below. Right below. Upside arrow plus. Very good. N, where is N? First tell me. Point, where is N? Yes. Okay. So yeah, what you're going to write? Yes, very good. Again? Plus. Very good. P stands for, where is P here? Where is P? Yes, so what? And it stands for 4. Yes. Very good. Write equal to? You can write it first to make it proper size. D stands for 5. Yes. Yes, more than me. So the answer is 6. Next. So guys, this equals to. So guys, this equals to 10. Next.